Let us now start with the project setup. In whichever drive you have installed your XAMPP, go to that drive. I have installed in C drive. I will open. Inside that, we will have XAMPP folder. Click on this. Here, we will have htdocs folder. Click. Inside this folder, I will be creating one new file. I will give the file name as Gleam Creates. Okay, Gleam Creates is my gift business name. So that is the reason I am giving this name. Whatever name you want, you can continue with that name. Open this folder, right click and open with code. As I already mentioned, in this complete project, we will have both user and admin functionalities. So when we work with user, during that time, we will create user folders and files. And when we work on admin, during that time, we will create admin folders and files. As of now, we are going to do our project folder setup. Here inside this root, I will be creating one file index.php. Close this, and also I'm just going to close this. I will write simple PHP echo. I will just display hello world semicolon and then close PHP. Save. Click on this. Copy the path. Open browser and only paste the path. From here, remove till htdocs and then pass localhost. Hit enter. As soon as I hit enter, you can see you will not be having any output. Why? Because it is very important we should be starting XAMPP. So search for XAMPP folder, open this control panel. As of now, we are only working with PHP. So what we will do, we are only going to start Apache. Later on, when we start with database, then we will be starting this MySQL. Now you can see we have started Apache. Now if I refresh successfully, I will be having the output hello world. Next, inside the root itself, I will be creating this style.css, and from project source code, you can copy all the stylings and you can paste here. Definitely for PHP tutorial, one by one, we do not have to go for every styling. So entire custom stylings I have already provided. You can simply copy and paste. Save this, close the file, and also in this project, we are going to use Bootstrap. Open browser and here you can simply write getbootstrap.com. Hit enter. You will be redirected to this page. Here you can see this download link. Click on this. Inside this, you will be having this compiled CSS and JS, and click on this download button. Downloading has started. Once downloading is complete, come to your downloads folder. You can see you will be having this zip file. Right click and extract all. As of now, in this same folder, I'm just going to extract. Once it is done, delete this zip file. Inside this folder, here you will be having another folder. Right click and rename this folder to Bootstrap. Now copy this folder, come to XAMPP folder. Inside htdocs, we have created Gleam Creates, and inside the root itself, we are just going to paste that folder. And folder name, we have renamed Bootstrap. We have done simple setup. We have downloaded Bootstrap and we have included in a project. Inside index.php, we have written simple code. And inside style.css, whatever styling I have given for this project, you simply have to copy and paste. Next section, we will see how to link Bootstrap, how to use Bootstrap, how to use this CSS file one by one, and very slowly we are going to complete this project.